Well, First Minister, you're here at the FAWales Festival. There's the food festival as well in Cardiff. There's a speedway. It just shows that, and we've got the Super Cup coming here August the 12th. It just shows how Cardiff is developed as a city, and Wales maybe, in terms of sporting events and every other event over the years.
Yeah, it's a great day. I mean, if you go back 20 years, there's no way we would have had these events here in Cardiff. The FAWales wouldn't have been here, the Speedway would have had nowhere to go anyway. The food festival, you know, if I'd have said to you 20 years ago, we will have one of the premier European football competitions in Cardiff, and we'd be in a position to bid for 2020, it would have been cloud cuckoo land. But it shows how far we've come. And, you know, there's still a lot we can do. But yeah, fantastic to think that the Super Cup's going to be here. And, of course, if we make a great event of it, as I'm sure we will, it puts us in a better position, maybe for the Champions League final, and, of course, for 2020, for Euro 2020. We've shown we can host big events here in this, our capital city, and it's another opportunity to show that in August. It must be fantastic for him, right, to think, you know, he's playing for Real Madrid, and he's going to be playing back here in Cardiff. And, you know, he's a modest lad. I watched him playing against Iceland for Wales. It's just, you know, it was like watching an exhibition match, and he was the centre of the exhibition. Such a talented player, and it's fantastic to think he's Welsh, and fantastic to think he'll be here on August the 12th.